All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is our our pre-market post-wave report for Sunday, September the 24th, 2023. Let's jump right into it. All right, so this is the Bitcoin futures. As you can see here, pretty flat on the week. We still got the bullish trend momentum reading. Don't know which way the market's going to go. It's at a crossroads. It could really stage a bear market rally, but it's going to have to get past this vortex here, all right, within the next day or so. If not, then the price will head lower. And these orange bars are also concerning because it marks the beginning stages of a bear market, the very beginning, or should I say the top of a bear market. All right. I know. Now, the last time this happened, we had this situation back here, but the market was already bearish. Then it went bullish. And now here we are again. So Bitcoin could be in for some trouble here. Looking at XRP Ripple. Now, this one is neutralized out for now. We had the nice little technical bounce here, and the market's trendless at the moment, but the bias is to the downside because you're below the Kumo cloud. So you got a crash alert here for tonight into tomorrow's trading, as well as a neutralized market. So this one could be interesting. Looking at the wheat. Wheat is in a locked-in bear market now, so we expect lower prices. Soybeans, locked-in bear market, expecting lower prices. Corn, still struggling, still trying to have a technical bounce, but for right now, I mean, the bear market is really putting a lot of pressure and doesn't want to let the market have a technical bounce. And it's running out of time. So it looks like the prices will continue to level out and will continue to hit new 52-week lows more than likely. Silver has a bearish trend momentum reading. We also have this negative bot check, so we know a big down move is coming in your silver. Next is your nat gas, locked in bear market, expecting lower prices. The Dow futures, so we had the negative bot check, and here's the big down move. As expected, Dow's in free fall status now, and I'm looking for it to break 34,000 this week. The Nasdaq 100 also in free fall with the negative trend momentum reading. I'm expecting this one also to break 14,000 to the downside. Next up is gold. We had the negative bot check here on Thursday. So I know the big down move is coming in this one as well, as we have a locked in bearish trend momentum reading. Looking at the S&P 500, locked in to the downside as well with a bearish trend momentum reading. I'm expecting this one to drop below 4,200 possibly within the next week or two. Crude oil had the crash alert, got the initial downside production. Now it's just kind of narrowing itself out here with the bearish trend momentum reading. I'm expecting for this market to come down here to this trend line and test the $80 support. Next up is your euro. As you can see here, the beginning of a bear market. This marks the top of a bear market, and this one could get pretty nasty. It could drop below parity, folks. Same thing with the pound sterling, beginning stages of a bear market, and this thing is still locked and loaded to the downside with a bearish trend momentum reading. Next up is your Aussie. You got a bullish trend momentum reading here, but you're still under the Kumo cloud, and this bear market rally is starting to run out of time if it's going to get anything major going here, as you got a lot of selling pressure ahead. So this may not materialize. You have to be prepared for that. Next up is the Russell. Russell is the weakest of the stock indices, and you got the beginning stages of a bear market, should I say the top of a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. So be prepared for this one to really fall back down below 1,700. Copper, locked in bear market, nothing to see here except for more downside. Ethereum futures, same as the Bitcoin analysis. We got a bullish trend momentum reading, but the markets are struggling to start a bear market rally, which means that this beginning stages of a bear market, which mark a bear market top, could be indicating that we have a precipitous drop coming in your Ethereum and Bitcoin. All right, folks. So that's what it's looking like. Very bearish across the board to start the week off. So, yeah, be forewarned, trade lightly. Do be cautious. Make sure your stops are in and all that good stuff. All right. You definitely don't want to be caught off guard here. Okay. So definitely do what you got to do. And remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash that like button and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Peace.